Hey everybody, I'm Mike with El Yucateco, and today I've got a simple, easy, and delicious breakfast quesadilla recipe, and it's coming up right now. To start this recipe off, we're going to begin with a very simple breakfast salsa. Here I just have some crushed tomato. To that we're going to add some finely diced onion, some fresh chopped cilantro, and some El Yucateco Black Label Reserve. If you've never tried this sauce, you definitely need to give it a try. And that's it, we just need to get this mixed up. And that right there is exactly what we are looking for. Now I didn't add any additional salt to this because there's going to be salt in the other items going into the quesadilla. And don't worry, I'll have all the details for this salsa recipe as well as the quesadilla down in the description box below. Now we're going to head outside to the flat top griddle and get these quesadillas put together. So we're starting with some refried beans here. To this, I'm going to add a little bit more El Yucateco Black Label and a little bit of water. Now we'll just get that stirred in and we'll place it on the griddle top to warm. And just a few minutes later, these refried beans are perfect. Now we'll keep those warm. Now we have some scrambled eggs. To these, I'll be adding some chopped bacon. Now we'll get that mixed up. And now onto the griddle. Man, that is perfect. This is a recipe that you have got to try out. If you've never had that El Yucateco Black Label, that's something you definitely want to pick up too. So that's it for this episode. Take care. Till next time, I'll see you on the next video.